Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is banker's discount. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So, let's get started without further delay. The banker's discount and the true discount on a sum of money due 8 months hence are $120 and $110 respectively. Find the sum and the rate percent. Here is an answer with explanation. The sum equals banker's discount multiplied by true discount divided by the difference between banker's discount and true discount. Equals 120 multiplied by 110 divided by 120 minus 110 equals $1,320. Since banker's discount is the simple interest on sum due, so simple interest on $1,320 for 8 months is $120. Therefore, 100 multiplied by 120 divided by 1320 multiplied by 2 by 3% equals 13 times 7 by 11%. The present worth of a bill due sometime hence is $1,100 and the true discount on the bill is $110. Find the banker's discount and the banker's gain. Here is an answer with explanation. True discount equals under square root of present worth multiplied by banker's gain. Therefore, banker's gain equals square of true discount divided by present worth equals 110 multiplied by 110 divided by 1100 equals $11. Therefore, Banker's discount equals true discount plus banker's gain equals 110 plus 11 is equal to $121. What rate percent does a man get for his money when in discounting a bill due 10 months hence, he deducts 10% of the amount of the bill? Here is an answer with explanation. Let amount of the bill equals $100. Money deducted equals $10. Money received by the holder of the bill equals 100 minus 10 is equal to $90. Therefore, simple interest on $90 for 10 months equals $10. Therefore, rate equals 100 multiplied by 10 divided by 90 multiplied by 10 by 12% equals 13 times 1 by 3%. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2 Windows x64 bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the discounts for earlier solved problem 4. Let initialize banker's discount, true discount, and duration variables. Next, sum is calculated as the product of banker's discount and true discount divided by the product of banker's discount and true discount. Next, rate equals 100 multiplied by banker's discount divided by sum multiplied by duration. Here, I am printing the rate. Execute the code by right-clicking on the banker's discount for method. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the discounts for earlier solved problem 5. Let initialize true discount and present worth variables. Next, banker's gain is calculated as true discount multiplied by true discount divided by present worth. Next, banker's discount is the sum of true discount and banker's gain. Here, I am printing the banker's discount. Execute the code by right-clicking on the banker's discount 5 method. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the discounts for earlier solved problem 6. Let initialize bill amount, money deducted, and duration variables. Next, money received is calculated as the difference between bill amount and money deducted. Next, rate equals bill amount multiplied by money deducted divided by money received multiplied by duration. Here, I am printing the rate. Execute the code by right-clicking on the banker's discount 6 method. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica.